This is an audio visual stand. It's got that trapezoidal design. That Eiffel Tower is where it kind of got it, where it's kind of has that art look of trapezoidal, and then it's from larger to smaller at the top. So it's great for audio visual of like your computers, AV equipment. We got tablets, we have books. We also have as our game board shelf on the bottom, but it's very sturdy. This is a steel, powder coated steel, so it's, you don't have to worry about chipping, rust, anything like that. There is legs that are adjustable feet pads, so if you had a surface that was a little bit uneven, you can adjust just one and get it nice and good. It comes with zip ties, so for like cable management in the back, it has that good cable management. You can come down, up, and use zip ties. There is a spot you could also put it like a power supply and have it nice and neat away. So very simple to use, very easy to set up, elegant, nice look that you can have a nice addition to your house if you're looking for a great audio visual standing.